Which type of cell is responsible for coordinating the functions of the body? A. Muscle cells. B. Nerve cells. C. Red blood cells. D. Skin cells. The correct answer is B. Nerve cells. How many dynes are equal to 1 GF? A. 1 dyne. B. 98 dyne. C. 980 dyne. D. 9.8 dyne. The correct answer is C. 980 dyne. What did the self-respect movement promote regarding education? A. Education only for women. B. Elementary education for all. C. Vocational training. D. Higher education for men. The correct answer is B. Elementary education for all. Where are hormones secreted by the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland produced? A. Thyroid gland. B. Anterior pituitary. C. Neurohypophysis. D. Adrenal cortex. The correct answer is C. Neurohypophysis. What religious practices did Pushyamitra and his successors revive? A. Buddhism. B. Jainism. C. Vedic religious practices. D. Sufism. The correct answer is C. Vedic religious practices. In which directions did the Indus civilization's urban phase decline, but not completely disappear? A. Northern and western. B. Southern and eastern. C. Eastern and western. D. Northern and southern. The correct answer is B. Southern and eastern. How is the hotness of an object determined? A. By its volume. B. By its temperature. C. By its mass. D. By its density. The correct answer is B. By its temperature. What is the appearance of anhydrous copper sulfate? A. Blue amorphous. B. Blue crystalline. C. Colorless amorphous. D. Colorless crystalline. The correct answer is C. Colorless amorphous. Which group established the Yuan dynasty? A. Ainus. B. Koreans. C. Mongols. D. Suk dynasty. The correct answer is C. Mongols. Which of the following governmental bodies is not mentioned as having members eligible to vote in the election of neighboring states? A. Rajya Sabha. B. Legislative Council of the state. C. Vice President's office. D. President's office. The correct answer is C. Vice President's office. What is a parsec a unit of measurement for? A. Mass. B. Time. C. Temperature. D. Diameter. The correct answer is D. Diameter. What frequently occurred among different states with the emergence of kingdoms? A. Peaceful alliances. B. Trade agreements. C. Struggle for supremacy. D. Cultural exchanges. The correct answer is C. Struggle for supremacy. Which type of bacteria is known to fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert it to ammonia? A. Azospirillum. B. Rhizobium. C. Lactobacillus. D. Azolla. The correct answer is B. Rhizobium. What is a stated disadvantage of satellite systems? A. Inability to transmit data digitally. B. Limited data collection. C. Low resolution imagery. D. High cost. The correct answer is D. High cost. Where did the narrator come across when almost giving up hope? A. A city. B. A cool and dark forest. C. A dry desert. D. A pond. The correct answer is B. A cool and dark forest. Which material is typically used for the outer casing of a thermos flask? A. Glass. B. Rubber. C. Wood. D. Plastic or metal. The correct answer is D. Plastic or metal. Which division results in the formation of 4 haploid cells from 2 haploid cells? A. Homotypic division. B. Amitotic division. C. Mitotic division. D. Heterotypic division. The correct answer is A. Homotypic division. Which of the following is not listed as a familiar sound? A. Radio waves. B. Noise of vehicles. C. Alarms. D. Television. The correct answer is A. Radio waves. Which term refers to the largest urban area mentioned in the size plane? A. Megalopolis. B. Conurbation. C. Metropolis. D. City. The correct answer is A. Megalopolis. What method involves searching ancient writings to learn about a place? A. Radiocarbon dating. B. Literary source analysis. C. Geophysical surveys. D. Stratigraphy. The correct answer is B. Literary source analysis. What continents are discussed in the learning objectives? A. Europe and Africa. B. Africa and South America. C. Asia and Europe. D. North America and Asia. The correct answer is C. Asia and Europe. What is the numerical part of Vinya's address mentioned? A. 24. B. 160. C. 006. D. 625. The correct answer is A. 24. What were paintings often drawn on during early periods? A. Rocks. B. Wood. C. Paper. D. Canvas. The correct answer is A. Rocks. What was the total number of members in the Constituent Assembly? A. 292. B. 389. C. 1. D. 93. The correct answer is B. 389. How does a computer process input data? A. The software processes it. B. The output processes it. C. The hardware processes it. D. The monitor processes it. The correct answer is A. The software processes it. During whose reign was the construction of the Sudarshana Lake completed? A. Rudradman. B. Ashoka. C. Bindusara. D. Chandragupta Maurya. The correct answer is B. Ashoka. How many regional languages did the Constitution initially recognize in the 8th schedule? A. 10. B. 16. C. 12. D. 14. The correct answer is D. 14. What does the letter A refer to in the context of representing electric current? A. Anode. B. Ammeter. C. Current representation. D. Ampere. The correct answer is C. Current representation. Which part of the skeleton protects the brain? A. Rib cage. B. Spine. C. Skull. D. Pelvis. The correct answer is C. Skull. What is used in biotechnology techniques to produce products useful to humans? A. Enzyme from organism. B. Modified DNA. C. Live organism. D. Clone cells. The correct answer is C. Live organism. How did you score?